Hello students, welcome to SOURAV's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI MSQMS question paper from the year 2016. Today we will be solving question number 15 and question number 17. So let's begin with question number 15. In question number 15 it is said that a math contest is made up of 64 multiple choice questions, each worth either 0 if wrong or no answer, or 1 if right. Then the number of students who must write the test to be sure that at least 32 have the same final score is option A is 2016, option B is 52, C 39, option C is 39 to the power 52, option D is none of the above. So basically there is a math contest which is made up of 64 multiple choice questions or MCQs. Now if the answer is wrong or no answer is attempted for a particular question, then we get 0 marks. Now if the answer is right, then we get 1 mark. So basically we have to find out, then it has been asked to find out the number of students who must write the test so that at least 32 students have the same final score. First let us find out the set of scores that is possible over here. The set of scores here goes from 0 to 1 to 2 to up till 64. This is the set of squares. So as we have been given, we have to find out the number of students who must write the test to be sure that at least 30 have the same final score. That can be found out by using the pigeonhole principle. The required students is equal to 31 into 65 plus 1, which is the same as cannot fit into 65 boxes without 32 in at least 1. This is the analogy that we are using from the pigeonhole principle. So upon solving this particular thing, we come down that 31 into 65 plus 1 is equal to 2016, which is the option A. Now let's move on to the next question. In the next question, which is question number 17, it is said that let f be a function which goes from 0 to 1 to r and is defined by f of x is equal to x square if x is rational and 2 minus x square if otherwise. In that case, we have to find out that f is where the function f is continuous. Option A is no point in 0 to 1, in exactly 1 point in 0 to 1, or exactly 2 points in 0 to 1, or more than 2 points in 0 to 1. So what we've been given is that, let us write down a definition of the function. F of x is equal to x square if x belongs to the rational set, or 2 minus x square if x does not belong to the rational set. In short, we can write the definition of the function fx like this. Now at x equal to x naught, limit f of xn as xn tends to x naught is given by xn whole square when we take a sequence of rational numbers. If we take a set of irrational numbers, in that case limit f of xn as xn tends to x naught will be given by 2 minus xn whole square, and here we have assumed that we are taking a sequence of irrational numbers. Now for fx to be continuous, fx is continuous. This implies that x naught square, if we take the value of x naught square is equal to 2 minus x naught square, and in that case we get that the value of x naught will be equal to plus minus 1. That is, if x naught is equal to 1 or minus 1, in that case continuous, the function f is continuous. Now let us go to the options and check out which of the following options satisfy this x naught equal to plus minus 1 thing. Now the first option is no point in 0 to 1. This option seems to be correct. And in the second, let us check out the other options also. Exactly 1 point in 0 to 1. This is not correct, since 1 and minus 1 does not lie in this interval. And exactly 2 points in 0 to 1. This is also not correct, since 1 and minus 1 does not lie in this interval. And more than 2 points in 0, 1. It is also not correct, since minus 1 and plus 1 do not lie in this interval. So what we can say that only the option A is the correct option. So the correct option is option A. So today we have solved question number 15 and 17 from the ISI MSQMS question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.